Hi, another video on Contiply now. All my previous videos have been on navigating around the website. This one shows how best to use the Android app. So when the app first opens, the default view is on the top offers thumbnail. From here I always go straight to daily free coins. The first thing to do as always is roll the faucet, which you can access by tapping claim your free coins. Tap back twice to return to the coins menu. And next thing here, go to pay to click ads. Now one paid to click ad has been viewed, you are qualified to enter the rain pool. So go back out of PTC ads and tap on start chatting. Once inside the chat, tap on the pink banner at the top which reads tap to qualify for the rain pool and confirm that you understand the qualification rules. So the confirmation at the top with the green icon beside the current rain pool. So now leave the chat and return to push to click ads and tap on all that are available. Once the ad opens, there is a countdown banner at the top which shows how long there is left to view. After this is run down, tap on the image to verify, which is followed by the confirmation at the top. After viewing all of the ads, scroll up to be sure you haven't missed any. Then go back and tap on watch a video. Practically all the videos are cryptocurrency related. You do have to watch them all the way through until the time banner at the bottom has filled up. After the ad is finished, you click close to go back. Then proceed to watch all the other videos that are available to watch for today. After you have watched all 14, there are no more available until tomorrow. Now go into Playtime where you can get paid coins to play games. There are loads of games to choose from. If you enjoy playing games on your phone anyway and find a game you would like in here, Playtime would be perfect for you. So that's all of the 5 items in the daily free coins thumbnail which I use regularly on the app. There is also the service thumbnail, which can offer some bigger payouts. There are many to choose from, but I prefer Pullfish as it has been designed for mobile use. Once inside, you tap on any server you like the look of. Well, that's pretty much all that I do when on the Contiply app. If you do not already have a Cointiply account, you should join and start earning for yourself. You can click on my referral link in the description to sign up.